Welcome back, Cakes Master Gang, and welcome back to another video in cooking. Today I'm just going to show you how you can make a quick chocolate milkshake. Extremely easy. First, you get your blender, get 100 ml of water, get a teaspoon of cocoa powder, and a teaspoon of white sugar. One or two, another teaspoon for extra sweetness. Put the lid on, put it on your blender, once it's nicely blended, you want to add milk. I need to get the milk. Once you have the milk, pour some in to the amount of the drink you want. Put the blender lid back on and blend it for until it's nice. Next, you need to add some ice cream to thicken it up. You can have any type. I normally prefer vanilla, but chocolate will do as well. And chocolate's all I have. Once it's blended up, once you have the ice cream in there, blend it up once again. Once it's blended up, pour it into a glass. And there you got it. A very nice chocolate milkshake, and it's much healthier than most chocolate milkshakes with syrup. Peace out. Make sure to subscribe.